Hello everyone, today we're looking at OpenSora. So OpenSora is sort of a replacement for Sora, which is a AI video generator, and this is an open source software. So now here we can have a look at some of the videos that it's generated, and let's have a look at this one. So this looks realistic, but I would say not as realistic as the actual Sora by OpenAI, but it is still pretty good. I mean, if you have a look at these hills and the quality is 720p, and yeah, we can see all these videos, and I feel there's a bit of something going on with the hair, but the animation is still good. I mean, it's not a replacement for Sora, but for now, since Sora hasn't been fully released and not accessible, this can be used as this is a good alternative for now. But now let's have a look at the GitHub repository. So again, those are the videos generated by OpenSora. And this is the setup, how to sort of set up and install the OpenSora and how we can use it. So there's a few instructions, there's a few commands. So we need to clone the repo and install all the requirements. And we'll get something like this when we run the code. So we just put in the prompt, and we can change the video um, quality as well, and all the different things. And now there's this pipeline over here. So in this pipeline, what's happening is, so the pipeline starts with the video or input files, and they're sort of processed by breaking them into scene cuts, and they divide the video into smaller clips. And then there's an aesthetic scoring. So the image or the clip gets an aesthetic score. And then there's the optical flow scoring. So optical flow basically means the motion between the different frames and how fluid they are and how aesthetically pleasing they are. And frame with high optical flow scores are kept. And then there's the OCR, and it's for frames or clips with text. OCR is applied to extract the text. So if there's too much text or if the frame is too noisy, and then it is rejected. And then there's the captioning bit, and it is for the selected video clips and images. The captions are generated. And then the sixth frame is the matching score. The generated caption is evaluated for its match score with the visual context. So if there's a threshold, and if it's below the threshold, the caption is rejected. And the seventh one is text cleaning and metadata processing. So for video clips, additional processing steps are text cleaning, video metadata labeling, and conditioned filtering. So the final output is the processed data, which can be images, videos, captions, and it is stored in a .csv or .parquet format. Now let's dive into the code. And now we can see the app.py, which is what's sort of put in the command line. This is the first thing that's launched. And we can see it's using a model called T5 model. And let's have a look at the code for that.
So basically the code in this T5 file, it is implementing a text embedding module using the T5 encoder module. So what is a text embedding module? So a text embedding module is a software component that converts textual data, such as words or sentences, into numerical representations called embeddings. So this is useful because it can be passed on to the OpenAI to ChatGPT, and it can be understood easily. So we can see that there's a T5 embedder class, a T5 encoder class, and also a basic link function. So the T5 embedder class, it's a helper class for initializing and using the encoder module, and the T5 encoder class wraps the T5 embedder class and provides additional utilities to integrate T5 into the OpenSora pipeline. So it's basically used for encoding, null embedding, and sharding, which is optional. And then in the end, there's the basic link function. It performs basic preprocessing on text to remove HTML encoding. It fixes broken characters and strips white space. So yeah, that's a bit of the code, and I think OpenSora is really good to generate videos, and it can help businesses to promote their business, and they can generate content, and it's good for entertainers as well who want to post more content on Instagram to promote themselves. But yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.